Think of your credit score as your money's ID in the world of finance. It's like a secret code that banks, loan companies, and even some employers look at to decide if they can trust you with their money or a job. But understanding this secret code? It's not easy. It's like trying to find your way through a maze where each turn is more confusing than the last. Now imagine if you had someone to guide you through this maze. That's what artificial intelligence AI does for you. It can help you make sense of your credit report, point out where you need to get better, and help you unlock doors to loans with lower interest rates. It's really about giving you the power to make your financial dreams come true. With that being said, let's dive into how to harness this power. 1. Budget and savings plans. The realm of budgeting is undergoing a dynamic transformation, all thanks to AI. The era of mundane spreadsheets is fading into oblivion as AI-powered budgeting tools revolutionize financial management. With these cutting-edge tools seamlessly integrating with your bank accounts, they provide a comprehensive overview of your financial inflows and outflows, rendering budgeting a highly personalized experience. Gone are the days of error-prone manual tracking. AI tools automate the process, ensuring precision and real-time updates. This accuracy is pivotal for crafting a budget that accurately mirrors your financial dynamics, paving the way for savings and bolstering credit scores. Moreover, AI-driven tools don't just categorize spending but also unearth trends and habits, offering insights for optimized financial well-being. Envision preemptively gauging the impact of a purchase on your monthly budget and credit obligations, empowering informed decisions that nurture credit score enhancement. Furthermore, AI's personalized financial advice, derived from extensive data analysis, facilitates tailored recommendations to curtail unnecessary expenditures and amplify savings. By fostering disciplined goal setting and tracking, these tools fortify credit management strategies, nurturing a healthier financial landscape. 2. Prompt bill payment reminders. Bill payments create a track record that lenders use to assess the risk of lending money or extending credit. A consistent pattern of on-time payments suggests that you are a low-risk borrower, which can lead to improvements in your credit score over time. Late payments, on the other hand, can have a detrimental effect. Missing a bill payment by even a day can lead to late fees, and if the payment is more than 30 days late, lenders may report this to the credit bureaus, resulting in a negative mark on your credit report that can linger for years. Therefore, utilizing tools that help manage and remind you of upcoming bills is not just a matter of convenience but a necessity in this age. 2 AI-powered apps in this domain are Honeydew and Prism. Honeydew is particularly designed for couples, aiming to foster open communication and financial transparency. It tracks expenses and sends bill reminders, ensuring users avoid late fees and missed payments. Prism, on the other hand, provides a complete overview of your finances, including utility bills. By linking your accounts and bills, Prism tracks them automatically and alerts you to upcoming due dates. It even offers a reimbursement feature for any late fees incurred due to payment delays made through the app, giving you added peace of mind. However, it's essential to understand that while these apps can significantly aid in managing payments, the foundational aspect of improving your credit score through prompt bill payment lies in cultivating a habit of financial diligence. 3. Correcting credit report errors. Discovering that your dream car is suddenly beyond reach due to credit report inaccuracies is frustrating. Errors on credit reports, from incorrect personal details to accounts you never opened, can lead to higher loan costs or credit denials. The traditional process of disputing errors is arduous and inefficient, involving manual review and correspondence with credit bureaus. But there's hope. AI technology can revolutionize this process. By swiftly analyzing vast data sets, AI can pinpoint discrepancies, making rectification more accessible and efficient. Platforms like Dovely utilize AI to scan credit reports, identifying inaccuracies automatically. To rectify errors, meticulously review your credit reports and dispute any inaccuracies with the credit bureaus. AI tools streamline this process, generating dispute letters, tracking disputes, and providing guidance on documentation and presentation. By leveraging AI, you can navigate credit report disputes with ease, potentially improving your credit score and securing your dream car more effectively. 4. Negotiating debts. Finally, let's delve into the intricacies of debt negotiation, a crucial aspect often overlooked, yet significantly impacting your credit score. Leveraging AI in this realm can revolutionize negotiations with creditors, ultimately enhancing your financial standing. When drowning in unmanageable debt, AI tools offer a structured approach to evaluate your financial landscape. These technologies analyze your debts, income, and expenses, providing a comprehensive overview of your financial well-being. This initial assessment sets the stage for negotiation strategies, determining feasible repayment amounts and prioritizing debts based on various factors. Consider negotiating debt settlements independently, approaching creditors transparently about reducing debt or altering payment schedules. Authenticity and a clear depiction of your financial status are key to successful negotiations, as creditors respond favorably to genuine repayment efforts. Alternatively, AI-facilitated debt settlement companies offer a hands-off negotiation approach. While alleviating direct negotiation stress, caution is paramount to avoid scams and ensure the organization's credibility. Once a reputable entity is identified, AI-driven platforms can also aid in managing debt repayment plans through collaboration with credit counseling agencies, potentially resulting in reduced interest rates and structured repayment terms for debt clearance. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. See you next time.